The Whispering Woods. In a small village, there was a dark forest called the Whispering Woods. The villagers always warned their children to stay away, for strange things happen there after sunset. The trees seemed to whisper secrets, and shadows moved even when the wind was still. One evening, a curious boy named Jack decides to find out what was inside the Whispering Wood. He waited until the sun dipped below the horizon and then quietly slipped into the forest. As he walked deeper, the trees seemed close in around him. The whispers grew louder, like 100 voices all speaking at once. Turn back, turn back, this seems to say. Jack was brave and continued on. Suddenly, he saw a dim light flickering between the trees. He followed it until he reached a small clearing. In the middle of the clearing stood an old twisted tree with a hollow trunk. From inside the trunk, the light was glowing. Curious Jack peered inside. To his surprise, he saw a tiny creature, no bigger than his hand, holding a glowing lantern. The creature had large, bright eyes and a mischievous smile.
Welcome, Jack. I've been waiting for you.
Jack was shocked.
How do you know my name?
I know the name of every child who entered these woods.
The creature replied.
I'm the keeper of the spring woods. Those who listen to the whispers must play a game with me.
What kind of game?
Jack asked, feeling a shiver run down his spine.
A riddle.
Said the keeper.
If you answer correctly, you may leave the woods safely. But if you fail, you will stay here with me forever.
Jack glowed but nodded. The keeper smiled and asked,
What has roots, as nobody sees, is taller than trees. Up it goes, and yet never grows.
Jack thought hard. The whispers grew louder around him, repeating the riddle. What has roots? Nobody sees. Is taller than trees. Up it goes and yet never grows. Jack thought hard.
A mountain!
He shouted. The keeper's eyes widened, and the light from the lantern flickered.
You are correct. You may leave.
Relieved, Jack turned and ran as fast as he could, the whispers fading behind him. Turn back, turn back, turn back. He didn't stop until he was safely out of the forest and back in the village. From that day on, Jack never returned to the whispering woods. And whenever the trees whispered at night, he made sure to stay far, far away. It's time to go to sleep. Have a sound sleep. Good night.